Hello everyone, as the weather gets cooler after autumn, make sure to prepare this braised cabbage with vermicelli for your family when you have time. Today I spent 5 yen to buy a big head of cabbage. First, break off the leaves one by one. Be sure not to cut off the base of the cabbage, because if you can't finish it all at once, you can keep the rest of the cabbage fresh by leaving the base intact. Be sure to wash it thoroughly. Once the cabbage is clean, cut it up. First, separate the leaves from the stems, then cut the cabbage stems. Cut them into wide strips. After cutting, place them on a plate for later use. Next, cut the cabbage leaves into large pieces. After cutting, put them in a large bowl for later use. Then prepare a handful of sweet potato vermicelli, put it in a large bowl, and add a spoonful of salt. Then pour in boiling water until the vermicelli is fully submerged. Add some salt, which can help the vermicelli soak and soften faster. Set it aside and let it soak for 5 minutes. Prepare 50 cents worth of pork belly and slice it thinly. Adding some pork belly to this dish makes it especially fragrant. After slicing, place it on a plate for later use. Prepare a small amount of dried chili peppers, cinnamon, star anise, and Sichuan peppercorns. Prepare 10 grams of ginger and slice it. Slice an appropriate amount of green onion and place it on a plate after cutting. Add a little oil to the pot. Once the oil is hot, add the pork belly. Stir-fry the pork belly until it releases its aroma and the fat renders out. Then add the green onion, ginger and spices, along with a spoonful of yellow soybean paste. Stir-fry until the aroma of the spices and soybean paste comes out. After stir-frying until fragrant, add the cabbage stalks. Stir-fry evenly until the cabbage stalks are just cooked through. Then add the cabbage leaves. Stir-fry the cabbage leaves until softened. After stir-frying the cabbage leaves until soft, put them into a clay pot. Then add an appropriate amount of water. Start seasoning by adding a spoonful of salt. 1 spoonful of chicken bouillon. Add an appropriate amount of light soy sauce. A small amount of dark soy sauce. A suitable amount of white pepper powder. Then add a little oyster sauce and stir well with chopsticks. Next, cover with a lid and bring to a boil, then cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add the sweet potato vermicelli. Cook for another 5 minutes to let the vermicelli absorb the flavors and become fully cooked. Alright, it's almost done. Add some green garlic shoots. A delicious dish of braised cabbage with vermicelli is ready. The cabbage is tender and flavorful, and the vermicelli is fragrant, smooth, and delicious, perfect with rice. If my video has been helpful to you, please give it a like and share it with others. Thank you for your support. See you next time.